Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yasmin Amanda Natania, and I would like to presentation about what is citation, what kinds, and how to use it. Okay, let's start from the first slide. There is what is citation. A citation is a reference to the source of information used in research. Anytime you directly quote, paraphrase, or summarize the essential element of someone else's idea in your work, an in-text citation should follow. An in-text citation is a brief notation within the text of your paper or presentation which refer the reader to a fuller notation or end-of-paper citation that provides all necessary detail about that source of information. A citation is the way you tell your readers that certain material in your work come from. For the next slide, there is kind of citation. Citation style, there is APA, Chicago, Turabian, IEE, and AMA. I will start from APA or American Psychological Association. The APA is citation style use a dead quote system of bracket citation. Chicago style is published by the Chicago Manual of Style. There are two variations. For the first one, Chicago A. We cite source in footnotes or endnotes. Chicago B, we use parenthetical dead quotes in the text. Turabian was developed based on the Chicago style. It is specifically designed of student writing research papers. Much like the Chicago style, Turabian has two citation options, a note system and an author date system. On the next slide, there is IEEE or Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. Is a citation style often used in technological study, such as IT and electrical engineering. The IEEE style has quote lines for certain types of search. For source type not covered by the IEEE, the Chicago style is IEEE use a numeric system. And the next is AMA. The AMA style is often used in medical science and use a numerical system. Numbering in the text is arranged in superscript with page number included in parentheses. Okay, and the last, I will explain about how to make citation. These methods are direct quotation from another source, paraphrasing or summarizing material, and citing the whole of a source document. In academic writing, most of your essay or assignment should be phrased in your own words, and the offers of direct quotation should be avoided. This is what citation and reference are for. A citation tells the readers where the information comes from. In your writing, you cite or refer to the source of information. A reference gives the reader details about the source so that they have a good understanding of what kind of source it is and could find the source themselves if necessary. For the first, quoting. Quotation must be identical to the original using a small section of the source. Quotes match the source document word for word and must be attributed to the original author. When quoting, the relevant page numbers must be given. And if less than 40 words, quotation should be incorporated into the text of your essay or assignment and enclose within quotation marks. Use a single quotation mark to indicate previously quote material within your quotation. And here are two examples that I found from web article. And the second one, paraphrasing and summary. The most important both paraphrasing and summary involve putting information from source material into your own words. Paraphrase material may be shorter than the original passage, taking a larger section of the source and considering it slightly. When paraphrasing, you must cite the original source. Page number should be given to assist in locating the relevant passage within the source material. And the last but not least, citing the whole of a document. Sometimes it may be necessary to give a general reference to the whole of a source document. This method of referencing in use is often. You will typically use information from source, such as your textbook, lab manual, a reference book, and article published in a science or engineering journal. This is what citation and reference for a citation tell the reader where the information comes from in your writing. You cite or refer to the source of information. And below is a example of a correct document quote. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.